Good morning, everyone. Hello and welcome to the weekly commodity audiocast. I am Kainat Chainwala from Kotak Securities Commodities Research Desk, and today we will be discussing ongoing developments in the commodity markets, factors influencing market sentiments, and uncovering the latest trends. So let's delve deeper in this ever-changing world of commodities. The month of November saw commodities largely closing on a weaker note, influenced by sharp rise of the US dollar, which surged by around 2%. This uptick was fueled by expectations that the Trump 2.0 policies would stimulate economic growth. At the same time, proposed tariffs, tax cuts, and crackdown on illegal immigration could reignite inflationary pressures, thereby sparking caution on pace of rate cuts. Gold prices experienced a dip in November 2024, falling by almost 2.8%, owing to signs of US economic resilience and easing of geopolitical tensions, with the Israel Hezbollah ceasefire contributing to a more stable market. However, gold prices recovered from lower levels due to escalating tensions between Ukraine and Russia, as well as accusations of violations of ceasefire agreement. On the other hand, crude oil prices ended the month with limited losses of about 2%. This was mainly due to reports suggesting that OPEC Plus was considering delaying the planned restart of oil production in January, potentially for several months. The decision was driven by concerns over a global oversupply as key OPEC Plus members began discussions about reducing output. This decision was offset against the backdrop of easing geopolitical tensions as Israel and Hezbollah reached a ceasefire agreement for Lebanon, providing some relief to the market. Furthermore, the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict continued to support oil prices as Russia is one of the largest oil producers. Now, oil market participants keenly await OPEC Plus oil online meeting on oil production curbs, which was postponed to December 5 as ministers from the Gulf Cooperation Council were supposed to be in a meeting in Kuwait on December 1. On the LME, base metals experienced mixed performance in November. Copper was the biggest loser of the month with almost 5% decline owing to concerns regarding Chinese economic outlook. While in contrast, zinc managed to close the month above $3,100 per ton, buoyed by a surge in cancel warrants in the last week of November. The prospect of a rate cut by the Federal Reserve in December gained strength after the release of core PCE, as the data showed that increase in inflation was consistent with expectations, leading traders to price in a 66% chance of a quarter point rate cut in December, up from near 50% earlier in the month. However, despite the likely rate cut in December, traders have lowered their expectations for future rate reductions. They are now pricing in only a 17% chance of an additional rate cut in January, as recent inflation data and signs of US economic resilience have raised doubts about the pace at which the Fed will reduce rates. As we move into December, markets are cautiously awaiting the US jobs report, speeches from several Fed Reserve officials, and key economic data, including the ISM Manufacturing and Services PMI. These reports will offer insights into the labor market conditions and overall economic activity, which are both crucial for determining the Fed future policy moves. Additionally, geopolitical tensions, including developments in the Russia-Ukraine conflict, OPEC Plus announcement, and US inventory data will play a critical role in the outlook for energy markets. With these factors at play, investors remain on high alert as they navigate a complex and uncertain environment. On this note, we conclude this edition of Commodity Audiocast and trust that we've offered you valuable insights. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and we eagerly anticipate your presence with us again next week. Until then, happy trading. Thank you.